Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist.
Hi, have you ever noticed that when you place a straw into a glass of water, it looks like the straw was bent? This is caused by something known as refraction. When light travels through different substances such as water and air, it changes direction slightly. This is because water and air have different refractive indexes. The straw looks bent because we are seeing the bottom through the water and the top through the air. But if you use something that has a similar refractive index to air, like glycerol, you can get a very different result. Now when I place a glass straw into the glycerol, instead of it bending, it disappears. And it's not just the glass rod that has disappeared. Take a look. As I place the test tubes back in, you can see them slowly disappear as the glycerol fills the test tube. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Fran Scott, Stephen Gates.